It is Fold It Club time. Hello, my friends. Guess what? It is Fold It Club time, and it is the best day ever because our Fold It Club is being announced for this month. Now, really quick, before I even tell you anything, the Fold It Club is currently exclusive only to the Fold It Club members. So if you want this, you have to be in the Fold It Club. You can't go to the website and buy it. No, no, no. It's only for the Fold It Club. And guess what? It also comes with 2 5x7 stencils, and this month comes with a freebie. But wait, we gave you a freebie last month too. Can you believe it? I know, I'm so excited. Are you ready? Get set, here we go. It is called a bunch of balloons. Now I know that sounds really funny, but look, it really is a bunch of balloons. Now I went a little crazy on this one, I will admit it, because not only are you getting the bunch of balloons, but you're getting so many different layering dies and you're getting this fun bow die. So look at what I have here. You're getting all of these extra pieces. I gave you a die that could make a little bow, which is so adorable. And then all these other extra pieces. So you have a heart, you could put a star, you could put this fun little starburst on it. Now, you are also getting a freebie, my friends. Check this freebie out. I can't wait for you to see that. We're not going to show that because some people don't like to be spoiled with the surprise. So here's your cute little postcard. You get a handy dandy postcard with a couple ideas, and it shows you the stencils that match. Now these stencils, you guys, first let me show you the background one. I always try to do a background one and then one that coordinates with the dies themselves. So here's the background one. It is this awesome, fun stencil. And let me just tell you, you can never have too much confetti. The best part about confetti is it's good for all the time, right? Birthday, anniversary, congratulations, you know, just every day if you want to. Now, I love that one, but there's also another one that coordinates with our balloons. Now, you're getting all of these stencil numbers and a question mark and an exclamation point. So you could say 30 question mark, or you could say 20 question mark. And then I have these fun little clouds that you can stencil, and then dots to go inside the balloons, which is, I'm sorry, inside the clouds, which is really fun. And these funny little things right here, those are like the little highlights. So when the sun hits the balloon, you can add a little tiny bit of a highlight. Now, stop talking, Stephanie. Let's see some samples. So here is an example of the balloon folded. Now remember, you can have it fold on the side or up at the top. I usually prefer the top, I'll be honest, but that's totally up to you. You get to decide. Yes, it does still stand up. So don't think for a second just because it's so tall, so big at the top that it doesn't stand up. It still stands up. But here we go. Look at how cute these are. So this one used the heart that comes in it. Those fun little strings. Aren't those cute? This one also uses the star. So cute. This one uses the layering dies as well. Birthday wishes. Look at that bow, you guys. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, it's coming in the set, which is fun. That's not the freebie, by the way. I just kind of added that in. That's not the freebie, though. Here's a fun one. Look at that confetti die. This is on a 5x7 card. So you can do our Fold Its as a shaped card, on a 5x7 card, or even on an A2 size card. The choice is up to you, right? Lots of options. Also, of course, you can also do banners. You can use them in scrapbook pages, and you can make them into boxes if you want to. Lots of other options. Look how cute that is. Happy birthday. Love that. With the, oh, and there's your bow again, but made out of felt. Yes, you can cut it out of felt. Look at this. You got your confetti background. You got your confetti even on the balloons. I love it. Here's a cute one with lots and lots of layering, which is so fun. Welcome. Isn't that gorgeous? To the world, little one. Isn't that sweet? Lots of balloons. Love those hearts on there. Here's a cute one. Perfect for Valentine's Day if you want. You got all our I love you, hot lips. So fun. Now that also includes, inside is the sayings for posies, for someone special. And then the words here are from our More Candy Hearts to Stamps. Now, look at how cute this one is. Again, confetti background. You're going to use that confetti background a lot more than you even realize. Look how cute this one is. Again, with the bow. You guys, that bow, you're going to hit that bow all the time. You're going to grab that bow all the time. It's your 16th birthday. There's that stencil being used. 16. Isn't that awesome? Now, here's another one. Just using one single balloon if you want. Add some twine. Here's our cute little peep girl, Kirsten. And then we have our fun shape in the background. Party on with our confetti and our number 7 stenciled on there. Celebrate, it's your special day. Don't you just love it? You guys, this one is so much fun and so versatile because again, celebrate, birthday, anytime, right? Anytime. Now, if you're not in the Fold It Club, now is your chance to get in. If you get in now, you will get an add-on bonus of joining, your freebie die for joining, which is an awesome big banner, $26.99 value, which is awesome. You get that for free just for joining the Fold It Club. Also, you will still get the freebie that comes with this month if you join right now. So make sure you get in because you cannot buy these on our website. Go get them. Go to thestampsoflife.com. Go check it out. Click on Join the Club and just watch that video because you know what? It's Happy Mail. Who doesn't want to get Happy Mail? Treat yourself and get some Happy Mail. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.